In this video, I'm going to break down everything you need to know about underground bathroom plumbing so you can avoid the usual headaches and get your project done right. So, first off, underground bathroom plumbing is all about getting your pipes set up below the ground, connecting your bathroom fixtures to the main sewer or septic system. When you're planning this, make sure you check local codes because they vary a lot and you don't want to get fined or redo work. Start by mapping out where your pipes will run, keeping the slope in mind. Like, the pipes need to slope downwards at about 1/4 inch per foot to keep waste moving smoothly. Use durable materials like PVC or ABS pipes because they handle underground conditions way better. Don't forget to install cleanouts at key points. These are lifesavers for clearing clogs without tearing up your yard. When you're digging trenches, keep them deep enough to avoid freezing in colder climates, usually about 1 foot to 1.5 feet below ground. Always double check your connections with water tests before covering everything up. And if you're new to this kind of work, it's smart to rent a pipe laser level. It makes getting that perfect slope so much easier. One of the biggest mistakes people make with underground bathroom plumbing is not getting the slope right, which causes backups and slow drains. Another common issue is using the wrong pipe material that can crack or corrode underground. And then there's improper sealing of joints, which leads to leaks and soil contamination. The fix here is simple. Always measure your slope carefully with a level or laser tool, pick pipe types rated for underground use, and use proper solvent, cement, or gaskets on all connections. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it hooks homeowners up with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to plumbing and other home projects. Contractors also get access to tons of jobs in their area, making it way easier to find work and build their business without all the hassle.